Looking for clever workshop hacks that can make your projects easier? From organizing tools and handling materials safely to improving your work efficiency, these workshop solutions will save you time, money, and frustration. Get ready to transform your workspace with these simple but genius ideas. To precisely align wooden parts, use regular masking tape. Drill holes at the marked points. Now the bars will fit together perfectly. Cut a piece of metal tube to match the size of the screwdriver chuck. Grip it with pliers in the middle and flatten it. Secure it in the screwdriver. Now you have an excellent tool for twisting wires together. No electrical tape on hand, but need to insulate wires urgently? Take a plastic bottle cap and melt it. Apply the hot plastic to the wire connection point. After it fully hardens, you'll have reliable insulation. Tired of searching for the right tool in one big box for a long time? Turn a plastic container into a convenient workshop organizer. Cut holes in it and all tools will always be at hand and visible. To safely break off a section of utility blade, grip it with pliers along the break line. Break off the dulled part with one motion, no cuts or injuries. For easy driving of a problematic screw, apply a little WD-40 to it. Now it will enter the material smoothly and effortlessly. Put a zip tie on the drill bit at the desired distance from the tip. It will serve as an excellent depth stop and prevent drilling deeper than needed. Using the serrations on the metal tip of the measuring tape, you can quickly mark wood and other soft materials. Just press the tip in the desired spot and get a clear mark without using a pencil. Use the notch on the utility knife blade as a convenient tool for stripping wire insulation. Create a soldering holder from a plastic bottle. Cut off the top part of the bottle, make 2 triangular cuts and secure it on a stand. Place the wires in the slots. Now soldering is much more convenient. Wind masking tape around the board with the adhesive side up. Now all small parts, bolts and nails can be temporarily attached to the sticky surface. Nothing will get lost or roll away during work. Make a simple device for carrying large sheets of drywall or plywood from metal profile and rope. With it you can easily handle the work alone. Make a hammer holder from a piece of plastic pipe. Put it on your belt. Now your tool is always at hand and won't interfere with work. Cut off the top part of the canister with the handle. Secure the canister handle on a wooden block. Add 4 binder clips. Fix sandpaper in them, and a convenient sanding block is ready for work. Now I'll show you how to organize storage for small items in your workshop. To prevent the screw head from protruding from the wood, you can flip the screw and make an indentation using the screw head. Now nothing protrudes from the wood. If you need to connect 2 drain pipes of different diameters, use this method with a plastic bottle and rubber bands. Here's another original idea for convenient storage of nails, screws, self-tapping screws, and other small items in the workshop. Cut plastic pipe to match the saw blade length. Secure it between blocks and make a longitudinal cut. Put it on the blade and install a limiting bolt with a nut at the end of the pipe. Now the saw is safely protected and ready for storage.